Hello, my name is Katya and I'm going to be doing Street Talk by J.K. Annand. There was a rammy in the street, a stushy in Stramash. The crabbit wifey up the stair put up her windy sash.
"Noo, what's a day?" the wifey cried. "Just tell me, what's a day?" "A day is 24 hours, missus. Noo gie us peace to play." "Just tell me what's a do," she cried. "And none of your gab," cried she. "Do you no ken a do's a pigeon, missus? Noo haud your wheesht a wee." "I want to ken what's up," she cried, "and nae me row your cheek, you loon." "It's only your windy that's up, missus. For God's sake, put it down."